Hey guys, welcome. Hey, we got a surprise for you today. We are gonna make a giant Hostess Twinkie. Alright, so we got the batter in the mixer already. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna grease the pan old school style, you know. Well, not really old school, but I remember this is what my grandma used to do all the time. So we're gonna grease it up with some Crisco. We don't want it to stick. Nothing like a giant Twinkie. Old Gunchy, he's been chewing at the bit for weeks to do this. It's even a little prefab Hostess Twinkie pan. Pretty cool. Alright. So there's our Crisco. And then we're going to coat it with some flour. Sorry, guys. Alright, but I'm going to go over by the sink to do this. Because you know, Reaper and flour, it's all bad. Alright, but let me finish dusting this pan with the flour. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. Got the pan all dusted. Good to go here. Now we got our batter in here already. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 3/4 cups of water. And this is yellow cake mix, guys. Got my oven preheating at 350. Now we need 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. All right. Okay. And then we're gonna add, got flour on the floor. We could do the woohoo, turn the shuffle now. Woo, woo, woo. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Had a short circuit. 5 eggs. 1, 2. Don't mind them awesome egg cracking skills. 3. 4. And 5. All right. Gonna dump the 5 eggs in here. Just like so. We're going to start the mixer out on low for about a half a minute. And we're going to go to medium for about 2 minutes. All right, but now we're going to go up to medium. And I'll be right back as soon as we're done mixing this in about 2 minutes. Got our batter all mixed up. And you don't want it real airy with a lot of holes. So don't go more than the 2 minutes. About 2.5 minutes, about it. And get all that goodness out of that bowl, guys. Yes, sir. Who would have thought? A giant Twinkie. Woohoo! You know, this little kit you can get around the holidays, guys. Alright, now this is going to go in the oven for about 45 minutes. And then when we take this out of the oven and get it cooling, we'll go ahead and mix up the frosting. Look at that, guys. And you know it's done when you take your toothpick and it comes out clean. Alright? So while that's cooling, it's got to be completely cool before you fill it. But we're going to go ahead and make the filling. 3 cups of heavy cream. And the frosting mix, the filling mix, it was already in there. Alright? Can't give you the ingredients on that because that was a pretty fat bag. But you got to whip this up on high speed. So I'm going to start it. But then I'll come back when it's ready. Oh, look at that, guys. But what we're going to do, I'm not going to cut squares in it like it said to. We're going to go ahead and pipe it in with a piping bag. I'm going to start with a little attachment. I'm doing it in here so it doesn't blow out the sides. I'm going to go about 4 different places. Alright, one more to go. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the, not bad. We're going to change the tip out of that. Gunji, he can munch on that later. Yeah. But I left it in the pan to fill it, just in case it wanted to explode. All right. What do you think, Guncher? Think it's over full? But here's what the filling looks like. They give you a heck of a lot of filling. All right. Now we're gonna Two points, Reaper. Well, now we're gonna see if it actually exploded. That is one giant Twinkie, folks. We're gonna cut this sucker open too. Stick around. I'll be right back. All right, guys. We're gonna slice right into this for Gunchi. Oh, look at that, folks. Amazing. Gunch, 1 or 2?
2.
2? I was like, you know what? We got to try that. But there you go, folks. Hey, man. I'm back. And who knows what's going to be coming at you next. But you can guarantee it's going to be good. But thank you guys for sticking around with us. God bless. And we will see you next time.